Welcome to Spensit, your all-in-one business assistant. In under a minute, you'll learn how to sign up, create a brand, add a product, share a checkout link, and ship an order, all from Spensit. First, visit Spensit.com and tap Get Started. Enter your name, then email. Wait for your OTP. Then choose a secure password. Next, create your brand profile. Add your brand name and set your business details like contact info and preferred currency. This ensures every invoice, checkout page, and report is tailored for your business. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personalized dashboard, your new business center. Now add your first product. Click Add Product. Enter your product details, set price and stock quantity, and save. You can include images and a short description so customers know exactly what they're buying. Now, once you're ready to sell, create a checkout link from the product page. Choose payment methods such as credit card, mobile payment methods, or even cash on delivery. Set shipping options and generate the link. Copy it or share it directly via customer email or social media messages. Your customer opens the checkout link, enters their order details, choose their products, color, or sizing options, then confirms their order. When the payment is confirmed, the order lands in your orders panel. Then create a shipment with a single tap using your integrations, all without leaving Spensit. That's it! Sign up, set up, sell, and ship faster than ever. Try Spensit free today at Spensit.com.